Hey there, hair enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the world of dry and brittle hair. If your locks are feeling parched and fragile, don't worry, we've got you covered. Understanding dry and brittle. Dry and brittle hair is often caused by a lack of moisture, excessive heat styling, or chemical treatments. When your hair lacks moisture, it becomes more prone to breakage and split ends. The science behind hair hydration. Your hair, like your skin, needs hydration to stay healthy. The outer layer of your hair, called the cuticle, is responsible for protecting the inner layers. When this cuticle is damaged or lifted, moisture can escape, leading to dry, brittle hair. Reviving your hair. A step-by-step guide 1. Use a sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, exacerbating dryness. Opt for a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo like Mayraki Ultra Repairing Shampoo. 2. Indulge in a deep conditioning treatment. A deep conditioning treatment can help to restore moisture and repair damage. Mayraki Silky Smooth is here to help. 3. Shield your hair. Before using heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant spray. This will help to minimize heat damage. 4. Avoid tight hairstyle. Tight hairstyles can pull on your hair, leading to breakage. Opt for loose hairstyles or protective styles. 5. Nourish from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can promote healthy hair growth. 6. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated can help to keep your hair moisturized. Additional tips. Use a silk pillowcase. A silk pillowcase can reduce friction and prevent hair breakage. Trim regularly. Regular trims can help to remove split ends and promote healthy hair growth. By following these tips and incorporating Mayraki products into your hair care routine, you can revive your dry and brittle hair and achieve luscious, healthy locks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips.